As a full-time emergency room doctor, I see a lot of patients with both acute and chronic back pain. Many of them become addicted to pain medications or muscle relaxers because they really can't get relief from other types of practitioners. I personally sought out treatment from an orthopedic surgeon when I first had back issues, and he basically told me there was nothing that he could do because I didn't need any surgery. So I was really lost as to who to seek treatment from afterward. That's when I got the recommendation of Dr. Higazi through a mutual friend. I immediately felt that chiropractic is a very important component of overall medical therapy, both for acute injuries and chronic injuries. And I have referred several patients to Dr. Higazi because I really felt they could benefit from his treatments and could save them from potentially addicting pain medications and chronic use of pain-relieving substances in general.
You know, he's still the same eager, excited Dr. Higazi that he was when I met him 18 years ago. As a certified personal trainer, I'm really impressed with Dr. Higazi as a chiropractor because he's not just a chiropractor. He's a certified strength and conditioning specialist. He knows a lot about the body, and he's a dynamic chiropractor. He's not just your typical chiropractor.
I did feel Dr. Higazi really had a clear path for me. He wanted me to get back to 100% of all the sports that I did before. And mind you, I had stopped doing any of the sports that I had done before. I was a competitive tennis player, I kayaked, I played soccer. So I appreciated that he was interested in showing me different exercises that could help me recover faster.